on question 26, we see that we have a 3 here that's not on the inside of a logarithm. So this really changes how we need to do things. So as a note, not everything is on the inside of a logarithm. So this is different. We actually need to use the transformation. So I need to transform this into its equivalent exponential. This becomes 3 raised to the 3 is equal to 2 minus x. And then from here we can solve. So 3 cubed is 27. And then subtract 2 from both sides. And then divide both sides by -1. And x is equal to -25. Now I need to check this still on the inside of the original logarithms. And if it makes the inside 0 or negative, we need to throw it out. So we have 2 minus x here. So if I plug in a -25, 2 minus -25 is like 2 plus 25, which would be 27. So that's okay. So -25 is my final answer.